Hey fellow foodies, I'm Jade, and this is my always hungry fur daughter Zelda. Shh, she's adopted, but I haven't told her yet. A little bit about me, I'm fresh out of culinary school. And even though I can sous vide a salmon and expertly roast beef tenderloin, I much prefer to julienne a zucchini, because I'm vegan. Naturally, after graduation, I had that moment of, what now? Do I want to work under a master chef and continue learning? Do I want to open my own restaurant? Should I buy a food truck? What's the right path? How do I know I'm making the right choice? Who am I? And then I had a light bulb moment. Kinda like that, but this time it just means the stew is done simmering. Patience, Zelda. It's gotta sit. Where was I? Oh yeah, who am I? This has always been a big question for me because, like my fur daughter Zelda, I'm also adopted. I felt like the one way for me to figure out what my future should look like was to dig into my past. Luckily, my parents could give me all of my biological family deets. And let me tell you, my background has as many ingredients as this hearty veggie mushroom bean stew. Now, I'm inviting you to join me in my 6-month journey around the world, visiting all of the countries of my ancestors. We'll see the sights, explore the culture, but most importantly, learn about each country's traditional dishes. Or traditions. Yes, I coined that term. You're relentless. Good thing you're adorable. Here you go. You gotta blow on it first, it's hot. So, click subscribe and join me and Zelda each week as we visit a new country and dive into one of their #traditions, vegan style. I told you it was hot. See you soon and bon appetit! I hope you renewed your passport.